So for my day 2 outfit at Lollapalooza, I upcycled this dress. This dress is given to me by Dhwani. What I liked about this dress is it had potential for transparency and it had a knee-high slit. I started with separating the entire lining from the dress, which left me with just this beautiful transparent dress. And then I took the slit up all the way till my bust. Then I closed all the raw edges with a little bit of hand stitching and machine stitching, and this is what the final outfit looked like.
Can we just say yes? Sometimes we gotta